Hi everyone, welcome back to What a Day. As you can see by the little text, when it's not your day, and today was not one of my days in this video. It was shot about probably 3.5 weeks ago, and I've been yet to load it up. I'm riding with Jason and Evan, and we're riding the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. It was just one of those days when I think everyone's had one of those days where no matter what you do, you just can't seem to get it. There, I sort of nearly go into the scrub and lose it. It just didn't feel right that day. Anything that could have went wrong in me riding. I just had no rhythm. The bike was bouncing all over the place, more so due to my riding. At this stage, I'm still running the tubes. Now I've also gone to the Moose, which I'm running about 12 to 14 psi mooses in the rear. I'm still waiting on getting a new golden tyre put on the bike for a bit more wetter conditions, because we've had our fair share of rain. It's probably rained for about a month and a half here on the Sunshine Coast. It's meant to be the Sunshine Coast. Up here it's as slippery as anything. Just not being able to get it together. Down I go, and you'll see again and again and again. Also, I'm now running steg pegs on the bike, which up here would have been absolutely perfect. They've made a big difference. I really enjoy them. You can actually lock your legs in on the bike and grip the bike when you're doing all this sort of stuff. I've also now got the bike in at what they call full force here at Maroochydore. They're renowned for doing all the enduro champion, race motorbike champions, V8 supercars, completely doing all their suspension up. They've actually got a dyno which they punch in. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but they punch in your weight, the style of riding you do, and the dyno seems to work out what it is, and they rebuild your suspension components, machine them all, reshim it all, and they've apparently been able to make the Xtrainer's suspension as good as the double R's, or just under the double R's suspension for high speed, and also keeping the characteristics of the Xtrainer being so good in ruddy stuff and that. But I'll do a video on that. I picked the bike up next week, which will be in around the 23rd of March. I'll be picking it up, and I'll be straight on it on that weekend. It'll probably take me a couple of rides to get used to it. Hopefully I'll ride Saturday and Sunday, and I'll do a couple of vids on what I think of the new suspension. Also, the Moose tubes, they're still a little bit hard, but they will soften up the more riding that I do. But thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Leave your comments down the bottom and I'll get back to you, especially if you've had one of these sort of days. I did more damage to the bike than what I ever have, and I'm sure everyone's had it. And as they say, what a day when you're riding your bikes. Stay safe, guys. And please, keep riding. And leave your comments. Give it a thumbs up if you've had one of these sort of days. I'll see you on the next vid. Thanks heaps. Talk soon. Stay safe. Imagine coming around the corner in speed, hitting these fuckers. You know about it. Yeah, don't worry about us. Washed out the front end. Whoa, bit of a washout. Yeah, washout.
I had one nearly back there.
Mate, I got it.
Did you?
I got it. I'd slowed down. I just looked up and you kicked a leg over the bike. The bike went left and right, and oh my gosh.
And survived.
Yeah.
Slippery, eh?
Yeah. Real good?
Yeah.